How do we actually measure behavior? How do we actually give people tasks to do that then can replicate an actual on the job scenario that we're going to have, that hopefully it becomes less and less expensive, more and more accessible inside of that. But I think, the thing that you said that just really resonates is that, one, there's multiple ways to do validation, and two, almost all of them are based in actual performance, whether it's feedback from someone watching you, whether it's you doing it in a scenario or a lab, whatever it might be. It is so much of that is rooted in capability and skill application. And I think that is something that is so overlooked currently, in my own opinion, in terms of our industry generally.
It is. And this is like a pet peeve of mine, is like so many learning people think about their job as delivering training.
Yep.
When actually, the job is to measure learning, and measuring learning happens by seeing that someone can do a task that they couldn't do before, which means you have to focus on measuring skills in that context, right? You're measuring something at the beginning and at the end and showing delta, but still you're measuring. And that is like, my previous world, like that is what is our job. And we tend to not realize that. And I think that's also going to have to change pretty soon too.